In this video, I'll show how to use the AI render to create AI renders to build something like this. So I'm at redxapps.com. Let me close out of this. I'll open up my project here. So let's say this was a shed or a house or whatever you've built. Once you've got it built, you can press this render mode. And then when you press generate render, it's going to ask you the environment settings. So if you want an evening look or a golden hour. And then for the ground, you can have a grass and gravel or a stone. Grass and gravel turns out nice usually. And then for the landscaping, so if you wanted maybe a garden, or default would be nothing, or trees around. When you hit generate render, it's going to take about 30 seconds to a minute to generate. So I'll just wait. So you see, once it's complete, it kept the structure intact, and it was able to add the flower beds like we mentioned. And then down here you can actually ask for changes. So if let's say we wanted to show some windows in here, or we didn't like the background, or we wanted to show a ramp and access ramp or something like that, you can just type in the changes in here, resubmit the request, and you'll just have to wait the 30 seconds again. And this is great makes it really intuitive to be able to ask for changes and like that. And you'll see in the corner here, these are how many credits you've got. So you'll have a 2 to 6 free credits every day on a free plan, and then you can buy more credits if you need them right away.